gabi nitong stage, gusto namin introduce. This is Simula Bukas World Tour Dubai!
Let's go! Woo! Pangalan mo tayo?
Before we proceed to our next performance, we'd like to introduce ourselves.
Magandang gabi, Dubai! Ako nga pala si Justin. Magandang gabi, Dubai! How's it going? Let's go!
Marhaba Dubai! Marhaba si Pablo! Dubai, make some noise! Hi everyone, it's your boy Sel! Habibti!
Magandang gabi po. Ako nga pala si Josh.
Siyempre we are
SB19!
She's got magnificent, radiant, beaming the light. All in the night. Back in the Philippines, merong earthquake na talagang maraming sinalanta na buhay. Families, in Cebu, in Davao, and syempre ngayon in Luzon. Even though we're really happy to be here tonight, our hearts go out to everyone affected in sa Pilipinas, and we're praying for the safety of everyone.
Love you, Pao!
And for our next song, gusto namin ialay itong kanta na ito para sa kanila. This one's reminding us always na time is of essence. Time is very important. And gusto lang namin sabihin, remind kayo na as long as you're here, habang may oras, gawin nyo na yung dapat gawin, sabihin nyo na yung dapat sabihin. Sa